cauliflower. Now repeat after me. Cauliflower, cauliflower, cauliflower. Meaning, cauliflower is a white vegetable with a dense head of florets surrounded by green leaves. It is commonly steamed, roasted, or used in various dishes like curries and salads. In a sentence, she roasted cauliflower with spices for a flavorful side dish. Here, cauliflower refers to the vegetable she cooked for her meal. Let's try another example. The market was filled with fresh cauliflower heads ready for the season's harvest. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using cauliflower. Synonyms. Some related terms for cauliflower are cruciferous vegetable, a group of vegetables that includes cauliflower, broccoli, and kale. Floret, a small piece of cauliflower or broccoli. Antonyms. The opposite of cauliflower would be none. As cauliflower is a specific vegetable, it doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Cauliflower is a noun referring to a white, edible vegetable with florets. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.